How to add a signature to a PDF on your Mac. If you need to sign documents quickly without printing anything, macOS has built-in tool that lets you create a digital signature and place it anywhere on your PDF. You can sign using your trackpad, your iPhone, or even your Mac's camera. Here's how to add a signature to a PDF on your Mac. Firstly, I will open my PDF document, which I want to sign. And now to sign it, you want to click on this pencil icon over here. And this is going to create this toolbar. And from here, you want to choose this sign. And if you have already like signs created, you can choose them, but I don't have any sign, so I have to like create it right now. And you can use your camera or your trackpad. So if I use my trackpad, I can simply like sign on trackpad and it's going to detect the movement and it will create the sign. So click here to begin. So you can make it however you want. And now if you want to finish it, just press any key. I'm gonna press, for example, escape. And now we can click on description and you can like choose what this sign is. So it's like full name, nickname, or whatever you want. Then click on done. And now you'll see your signature over here. So you can like click it and this is going to add on your PDF document. You can resize it by the corners. So let's say I'm going to add it over here. And this is basically it. So this is how you can sign your PDF documents on a Mac. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.